Hey, what's up, everybody? Thanks for ordering the Ride or Die Razor Supermoto front wheel from us, and here's the installation video on how to throw it on. All right, before we get started, let me show you the difference between the version 1 and version 2 of the Ride or Die front brake. This is the version 1, and you can see the spacers are attached. You can still use the version 1 with the Supermoto kit if you're able to cut these spacers off. If you can't cut the spacers off, you can contact us. We can send you different wheel spacers, but it's going to push your wheel further away from the caliper and move it further off center. This is the version 2 Ride or Die front brake. As you can see, the spacers are already removed, and in your bolt pack, let me show you. The bolt pack that you get with your brake comes with a bunch of different size spacers and washers so that you can get the spacing that you want for whatever wheel you're using or whatever forks you've purchased. You can customize that spacing. So let's get to installing your front Supermoto wheel. All right, I have attached a 180 millimeter pit bike brake rotor. These do not come with your wheel. We do have these, and if you need one, you can just add one on when you check out. If you already have a 180 or 190 millimeter brake rotor, then it will just bolt right up to the pit bike bolt pattern. All right. Also, your kit comes with 2 wheel spacers, one small, one big. Big one's going to go on the brake rotor side, and I like to just turn that fork out a hair and then get your spacer started. Make sure and throw it on the ground 3 or 4 times first. And stab that axle. Sometimes it helps to rotate your wheel a little bit to get it stabbed. Then when it pokes out on the other side, just stick your small wheel spacer on the non-brake side and then tilt your fork out and throw that on. So, and I've removed the fork guards here so that you can get a good look at what's going on. I'll move you around front here. So that is the look. And let me show you our brake caliper. Okay, so with the new brake caliper, let me just go ahead and show you the spacing that you're going to want. These are the smallest M8 bolts that come in your kit. They're 35 millimeter long. So grab the smallest 2 bolts, 3 of the flat washers, the smallest spacer, and then the lock washers. Those are important to keep everything locked down so it doesn't vibrate loose while you're riding. Put your lock washers on first. Put your spacers on next. Then we're going to slide our brake caliper on here. Kind of get it into position. I like to do the bottom bolt first. I think it's easier to do it that way. So I'm going to stick the 3 washers behind. Once you get that bottom bolt started, get your 3 washers, your bolt, stick that through. Stick the 3 washers behind it, and then just rotate the caliper up and get that bolt started. By hand, you always want to get those threads started by hand. Don't run them in with an impact until they're lined up. Oops. And there you go. Ride or die.